You have to remember these protests are about defending lawbreakers. If you don't like the rules of a country, then don't go to that country. But if you decide to go anyway and break those rules, then it's on you. Okay, I want you to understand something. This is stupid. And the reason why I call that stupid is because the basis of understanding morality, the first lesson you get if you try to think about ethics and you try to think about morality, is that law does not equal justice. Law is a formal process that exists. It does not mean justice. And there are a myriad examples throughout history of where the law is actively unjust and that the just thing is to fight against it. The just thing is to violate it. And the answer is the vast majority of the American people do not agree with you. Deport groups of people who have lived in the U.S. for many years without committing any crimes. Do you think the following types of people who are in the United States illegally should or should not be deported? Should not be deported. 61%. Men, women, white people, black people, Hispanics, young people, old people. Everyone agrees. No. So why do we have this law? Well, the reality is the reason why we have so many illegal immigrants in this country is because this country needs illegal immigrants and it supports illegal immigration and it brings them into this country. It's like how everybody drives 10 miles over the speed limit on the highway and no one gets pulled over and nobody gets mad at you because we all accept the speed limit's a little bit slow. Just like with immigration. If you come into this country and you work, as long as you're not committing crimes, you are a part of our society. The reason why that exists is because this country's fucked up and we want an underclass of people with no rights who can't vote that we can exploit for their labor. That's why it's like that. The capitalists like that power. And the rest of us need those people in our society because they're fully integrated. If we started pulling over everybody who is 10 miles over the speed limit, does that mean there's an epidemic of lawlessness in this country? Or was there a norm that already existed? And now suddenly you're changing enforcement. You're trying to use the law to change the norms in a way that nobody thinks is necessary. And that's what's going on with immigration.